Today we are working on Shane's 5th gen 4Runner here on portals, 37-inch tires. We are doing some rewiring on his truck. So currently he has a switch pros to control all his lights and everything down here. He wants to move that up to here, and he didn't know we had a product from OE panels to do that, so that's what we're going to be doing today. So this here is an adapter for the switch pros itself. So this is what a factory bezel looks like here. So nothing on top, so you could drill 4 holes and mount it to this as well, but that's not as easy as just installing an OE panels. And you can see here it has this lip here, so it looks factory. We also include 1 extra hole for another switch, so if you are somebody who has a ton of stuff on your vehicle like Shane does here, you can utilize that extra switch. So the factory bezel comes out just like you see here. You pop off all these yellow tabs here, move it over to the new one, move the switches over as well, and then you can put a blank on this one here, or if you have another switch you can put in there, you can throw it in there as well. So this is the small style switch that goes right in there. So if you have another button you can use, throw it in. If not, you can just throw in a blank if you want to. So we're going to get that swapped out and show you guys what it looks like. So one of the main reasons why we're installing and kind of moving switches around is because of this bumper here. So this is a C4 Fabrication hybrid front bumper that we just finished installing, and he wanted to run some more lights. So the squadron was from the other bumper, and so we just added the XL80 and the S1, and then we also swapped out the synthetic line as well. But let's go take a look at the new location of the Switch Pro. So the unfortunate side to removing this is now he has holes down here, so we're going to plug those up so that way it looks a little bit better than that. And then this here is where the new location is. So flush with the panel itself, doesn't interfere with the vent at all. It's way more visible from the driver's seat now instead of down here. Trying to turn it on like this, now you can see everything up here, easily click it, and then you also get that extra open switch area. So we added a switch right over there. So he's got a bunch more lights and accessories that's going to be going on this, so it looks way better up there and way more usable. But that's pretty much it for this video. This is Shane's build here. You're gonna see a lot of this on our channel just because everything that you see on this truck we have done here to this date. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I'll have a link to the OE panels down in the description. If you guys are new here, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you guys next time.